are working on a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to be replacing the alternator. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the negative battery. And then we'll go ahead and loosen these bolts first. And then we'll go ahead and release the tension. So these are going to be 15 millimeters. That tensioner is going to be 15 millimeter too as well. And then we're going to go ahead and take off this cable and take off this connector. The connector is a pinch connector, so we'll just squeeze, pull it back, just like that. And then this guy's going to be a 10 millimeter. So you're going to need an 8, a 10, and a 15 millimeter to do the job. And probably a pry bar just in case if you need to get this guy up and going. So we'll figure that out right now just to see. I'm going to go ahead and leave on the intake, but really want to take as least as possible on this. So got a pry bar just to get this out, just so you know. And before we put in our new one, there's these pins. I'd recommend to hang them out. And then when you put back the alternator, you tighten it down. That's going to pinch back the alternator in. This is just to make it easier. So that's how you go ahead and replace the alternator. You're just going to put back on your negative cable. Make sure your belt's still in place. Don't be impatient. Check it. Sometimes the belt gets stuck on this bolt, so check that. Make sure it's not hanging on the bolt when you start it so it doesn't flap out, damage the belt. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.